Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware: left side, right side, Pannier racks, and a cross brace. Then we supply two 25mm long spacers, two 19mm long spacers, two M8 by 45mm long bolts, two M8 by 40mm long bolts, and the spacers go with the bolts as shown in the video. Then two open-ended spacers, four M8 washers, four M6 by 20mm long bolts and washers and nylock nuts, M5, M6 Allen bolts, or you can use Allen keys, ratchet plus extensions, and a 10mm wrench or spanner. Then you can loosen the bolts on the passenger foot pegs, slip the front bracket as shown, and then at the rear end, longer spacer with a longer bolt. Hand thread the bolt in, and then move to the front end, short bolt, short spacer, and then slip in the open-ended spacer. On the opposite side, you will have to repeat the very same steps. So once again, longer bolts with longer spacers, and then open-ended spacer at the front end. And then you can move to the cross brace, grab those M6 bolts, put them through. Washers will have to be on the outside as well as on the inside, and then spin on the nylock nuts like so. And then you can begin to tighten all the bolts and nuts gradually. We also recommend that you double check all the bolts and nuts once again after a test ride. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can also call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you very much for watching.